Hey everyone, we're going to evaluate this integral given, and we're using integration by parts. So to do this, we're going to use this formula here. So I need to find all the parts here and choose u. So in order to choose u, we're going to choose it in this order, which our first one is log. So our u is just going to be ln of 2x plus 1. Therefore, everything else is dv. So our dv is going to be your dx. All right. So therefore, the derivative u is going to be 2. Well, you just do 1 divided for the ln. You do 2x plus 1 times the derivative of the inner. So that's 2. So you just put the 2 there. And then we have the dx. So derivative u with respect to x. And then v is just going to be x. So now we can plug it in the formula. And we're going to get uv is going to be x. Or I'm doing vu instead because it looks better. So I'm going to do vu. So let's do that. So we get x times u, which is ln of 2x plus 1 minus the integral of v, which is x, x times du, which is 2. So I'm going to put the 2 in front. So that's going to be 2x divided by 2x plus 1 dx. So I just, when I multiplied these two, I just put this x right there. All right, so let's simplify this a little further. We have this equals x ln of 2x plus 1 minus this integral. Now, we're going to do a little trick here because we want to use ln to help integrate this. And one way to do that is to take this 2x and add 1 to it like that and subtract 1. So we still have our 2x here. And then divide that by 2x plus 1. Now when you do that, what happens is if I write this out, you get 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. And this equals 1. So that's just going to be 1. And it's a little trick. So let's continue on. We have x times ln of 2x minus 1 minus the integral of 1 minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So that's going to help to dx. We still have our dx here. All right. So now it's a lot easy to do the antiderivative of that. So let's continue on. We have, this is all going to equal x ln of 2x plus 1. And let me just write down what we had before. We had this. 1 minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So when you take the antiderivative of that, you're going to get x. So it's going to be minus x. And then this is going to be 1 ln of 2x plus 1. But you got to put the 1/2 in front here. And then that would be plus c. And simplifying that further, we have 2 of these here. So the way I can write this is I can write it as equals 1/2 2x plus 1 times ln of 2x plus 1 minus x plus c. And it's mainly just putting it all together by grouping. And that would be your final answer. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.